Shrikant is the curator of Kamal and Bajaj Gallery. So if you guys want to exhibit at Kamal and Bajaj Gallery, you have to go through his review. He has to agree, then you can display it. Otherwise, no. So, and yeah, little bit interaction has happened because I am also going to host a show at Kamal and Bajaj Gallery. In the process, we have had a lot of art discourse over past couple of months. It's very interesting to talk about art with him. And she is a writer at Astaguru. If I understand correctly, it's a very profound task because such artifacts or master's art being displayed. So what is to be written exactly to describe that? It's a big deal. So she does that, and she knows probably the business of art better than any of us. So this is it. And I would request you people to say a couple of words about. You saw the art paintings on display today, and what you feel about emerging artists, contemporary arts, and the market and things like that.
So actually, something like this happening is very unconventional, especially in Mumbai. There are very few galleries, mostly there is always a white cube scene. Something like this happening here gives a very good opportunity for every type of art to come on the table. It doesn't stay behind in the artist studio itself. Another very, very important thing that I saw in all the works over here, and that's why I'm very happy, is something that artists are creating works which are making them really happy. There's a lot of misery around us, lot of stuff happening around us, and this small notion makes us feel very positive about art and everything. Another important thing is, in some of the works I also see the thought behind creating the works, and from a market perspective, currently that is something which is gaining a lot of momentum, like documenting your practice, documenting your sketchbooks, keeping everything well, archiving everything. And yeah, it's really great to see something like that over here. So all the best, guys. It's a really nice initiative and a very good selection of works over here. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. So my name is Shrikant Vishwakarma. So to introduce my own self, I'll first tell you that I tried, even so at a certain age, even I wanted to be an artist, and I still consider myself as an artist, but I will not put it under my name because I still feel that practicing art is more important, and I did study art, but I did not practice it continuously. At one point I also pursued clinical psychology, and I did that for 6 years. I have a master's degree in clinical psychology, but I also don't call myself a clinical psychologist because academically I also studied history. I have a BA in history. I'm a fine art graduate. The reason why I'm telling you all of this because here today, it is because what you practice is far more important than what you have studied, and we somewhere find what we do as therapeutic. It could be gardening, painting, photography, but there is art beyond you feeling therapeutic about it. The art does not end where you feel that I enjoyed making this art, but that does not automatically make it an art. You have to justify it, and if you can do that with a degree or without degree in an art gallery or in an unconventional space like this, it is good to go. So do not hesitate to practice, keep practicing. Practicing is far more important than anything else. So that is my 2 bits here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much for.
You took Tarde sir's name.
Yes.
I would like to say that what keeps me pushing is his inspiration, both sir and ma'am. So most of us here, we have done a workshop with him, and what they do is that 4 दिन का workshop हो गया, बात खत्म, ऐसा नहीं है. So they hold our hands even now. So they will be like, even they will call us, they will send messages, they will say things which, what are you doing? What is happening? What are things around? सिर्फ काम ही नहीं कर रहे हो, यू आर टेकिंग अदर एक्सपीरियंसेस. इट्स लाइक
have good push from them.
yes, so we get a very positive energy from both of them. So for me, that is what is currently taking me ahead.
Great.
Hi, I'm Preeti. So for me, my art has always been, where I have my moment of play, I should say, and I have nobody to judge me. And I always say, some people ask me, what do you do? So I just say I'm an artist, but I chose to be a child, still a child, and play with colors, and I enjoy playing with colors. So that's where my art is, and it is inquiry into myself every day. So that's what I enjoy art. And again, that we all have stories which are mutually related, but some of us, all of us express in different ways, and I find it very I should say wonderful, and at the same time wonderful, curious, and at the same time I feel it very relatable, and very happy about how relatable my story is with someone else's, and that connection is what keeps me going with my art. Thank you.
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ शर्वरी. एक्चुअली मैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग वगैरह करती हूँ, तो नेचर से रिलेटेड मेरे सारे पेंटिंग्स है. कि जैसे कि आपको दिखता है कि जो नेचर में है कि रियल ट्रीज़ कैसे है, माउंटेन्स कैसे है, तो मैंने क्या किया है कि उसके परे जाके कि उसको मतलब इमेज करके कि आप उस नेचर को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में कैसे तब्दील वगैरह कर सकते हो या उसके आगे का कैसे दिखा सकते हो. तो वो आपको मेरे पेंटिंग में आपको वो दिखाई देगा कि नेचर का ही पार्ट है, पर वो मैंने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में दिखाया है कि सो मेनी कलर्स कि अंदर डेप्थ में कैसे कलर्स रहते हैं वगैरह. तो डेप्थ ऑफ नेचर ऐसे आपने कहा तो भी चलने वाला है. तो मैंने वही दिखाने का ट्राई किया है कि सारा जो नेचर हम देखते हैं तो उसे भी हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग में वगैरह कैसे कर सकते हैं, कलर कैसे उसमें डाल सकते हैं. तो मेरे पेंटिंग में ज़्यादा वो देखने को मिलेगा आपको. थैंक यू.
हेलो, माई सेल्फ सिरिशा. मैं अभी फ़र्स्ट टाइम है ये जर्नी मेरे लिए. फ़र्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ यू. मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला. बेसिकली आई एम अ 3D आर्टिस्ट. सो मुझे बचपन से पेंटिंग्स पसंद थे. पेंटिंग्स, आर्ट रिलेटेड, एनीथिंग आर्ट रिलेटेड मुझे बहुत पसंद था. तो एनीवे मैं कैनवास पर कभी डिज़ाइन नहीं करती थी, बट ड्राइंग्स, स्केचिंग लाइक दैट. बट अभी स्टार्ट किया मैंने कैनवास पे भी.
So what's your profession? Say that.
Profession is 3D artist. I'm
3D
a
artist.
3D developer.
3D of
3D
what?
developer.
Game character
In game
developer. She develops characters for games in 2 dimension. Yeah. Video games.
Hi, my name is Rishikesh, and I'm interior designer by profession. So 2 things I want to mention. First is about my art. I am saying that my art is like I want to tell something, but not in the words. So I am just putting my efforts so that expression will be there in the face. So that is a kind of language for me. Art is a kind of language for me, so that one can understand what I want to say. And second thing, as you said, success and fail thing, I don't believe in that thing. If I am getting satisfaction from my work, that is my success. No one else can count that thing in money and in form of famous. That's not the success. If I am happy, that is the success. And satisfaction is important. Thanks.
Anusha.
Hi, I'm Anusha. I am with Psychology for last 2 years. I think we have done another exhibition in the same space. I think like most of us, I have also been into the art journey since childhood probably. But and I used to read a lot, poetry and books and all. So the pieces that I'm displaying today does have some of the snippets of the work that I have been reading that I wanted to somehow show it on the canvas. So you see, one of it has a page coming out of darkness and there's a lot of light there. And then there are very famous poets that you can see on my canvases. So a mixture of that, the happiness that you get from reading poetry and putting them somehow in the colors and textures is what my work today represents. Yes. So that's all about me.
Oh my god. I'm so not good at it. Anyway, so my artwork is an extension of my booklet in which I have an idea how can we make this earth an utopian life for everybody, where we could have the devoid man-made suffering and then have an utopian life all around us. So that is an extension. So we have a lot of misery, and these artworks are happy places, which makes you calm, gives you a serenity feeling, and that's about it. Utopian concept, basically. Thank you. That's it?
Thank you so much.
I gifted him my last novel. Pay your own.